What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to dev your own meme coins on the Solana blockchain and print generational wealth on demand. If you are tired of losing money in all sorts of ways, this is a method for you. Make sure you keep watching. Check my Phantom wallet out. $5.6 million all made from deving meme coins on Solana. No hype, no luck, just consistent launches. Stick around, I'll walk you through exactly how I did it right now. A couple months ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day, hoping to make money every single hour. I used to chase every single new chart on Memescope, hoping I was early. But every single time I bought inside a meme coin, I got completely wrecked, just like this chart right here. The truth is that the people actually winning are not the traders, it's the devs. Because when you are a dev, it means you are the one behind the coin, creating it, and then dumping it for money. That's where the real generational wealth is. When you dev, you control the narrative, the liquidity, and the timing of the coin, every single fucking thing. You are not risking anything of your own pocket because it's your project, okay? Every single buy means more money in your pocket. But if you keep trading, you'll keep losing. That's how the game works. And right now, because of the Trump news, Solana might have dipped just a bit, but it is coming back up, so it's the perfect moment to start deving meme coins, bro. You guys need to keep watching. Now, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and everything in today's video is made with AI, so please don't copy me. Now, back in the day, it used to be really profitable to dev meme coins on Pump.Fun, but nowadays, it's too oversaturated. Pump.Fun might look easy, but it's overloaded. Too many coins are dropping every single second, as you guys can see, and most disappear within hours. On top of that, you don't even control your own liquidity because it's Pump.Fun that keeps your money, not you, okay? If you are up a couple $1,000s in profits, you cannot even remove that money because you don't control it. And the worst part is that all your coins has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to bond on the Radium DEX. That's the worst part about it. And that's exactly why people are migrating to create tokens.io because it's the best launchpad at the moment in 2025. All your coins, okay, gets launched directly to Radium. It's immediately migrated, which means thousands and tens and thousands of people are going to start seeing your coin on the Radium DEX the second it goes live. That means more buyers, real visibility, and more money in your pocket. That's exactly why thousands of people are going to create tokens.io. It's simply the best launchpad. Now, here's step by step how to launch a meme coin on the Solana blockchain using this platform. So first, you can make a coin from scratch. So go on X and look for any narrative. It could be literally anything that's trending, okay? For example, the insider trader is back. No. Taddy's pics. I mean, it could be literally anything, right? Like him, he's in the hospital. That could be good. 2.4 million views. But anyways, once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, invent a name real quick, add a symbol, and then screenshot whatever the fuck you want and just place it right here, for example. After that, after a couple more steps, your coin is live and is custom made on the Solana blockchain. But the second method though, that's my favorite one because it's the most profitable. You guys will see in today's video. That's the copy trending coins tab. Now these coins right here are all already trending on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is just copy one that's on this list and it will launch directly onto Radium. And since all these coins are already going viral, they're already proven narratives, and they already have traffic and hype, you will get instant buyers and much higher profits from the start. Imagine, bro, you copy a coin, you make a couple $100, and you just rinse and repeat. That's what we're all looking for. So, yeah. Anyways, let's cut straight to it. I'm about to dev a coin right now live on camera so you can see exactly how fast and simple it really is. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Basically, Phantom wallet is where you store all your tokens, and then click on refresh list to have all the new coins, and let's look for a coin that is trending. Which one? I think I'm gonna go with the fuck, which one? Okay, Pokey.Fun. It has a last buy 8 seconds ago, a $55,000 market cap, and a Telegram. Let's see if it's legit. It's legit. And a Twitter. Let's just see if it's not disabled. Oh, it doesn't exist. That's bad. I'm gonna go for something else. Felon Allen. Actually, no. Wait. Let me just refresh again. I'm gonna go for the. Yo, refresh. I'm gonna go for the. Oh, fuck, which one? Okay, Gemini 3. It has a last buy 17 seconds ago and a 23.5k market cap. So click on create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal. Just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly. Just wait a bit. And then if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live on the blockchain, it's legit, there's a billion coins of supply. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's easy. We're just adding and creating the liquidity for your coin. That's what makes your token instantly tradable onto Radium, so buyers can jump in the second it goes live. This is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to create. It's the Radium liquidity pool. It's a sweet spot of your coin. Now first is for the amount token A. Just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool, right? You are keeping 100 million, so it's 10% in your wallet. For the amount token B right under, this is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing this Solana, okay? It's just locked in for the liquidity. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later, that's enough for your first buy, will come back right back inside your Phantom wallet. This is why we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, and once again, you are gonna get this back later on when you dump the coin. Make sure you have enough in your wallet, click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh right below here, and if you scroll down in a sec, boom, the Gemini 3 coin is now live, it's created, it's on the migrate section, our PNL is right here, and if you click on the refresh button for a second time, now we're up $190 because people are simply buying into our coin. Now it's time to view the coin. So view on Photon, and if you guys do not have Photon, you can also go on Axum, just copy paste the token address right here, or on other trading platforms, on Telegram bots, anything you want. Anyways, let me go on full screen. It might look funky, $50 in our, okay, $50 buy, $60 sell. Come on, one more big buy. Let's go! Let's fucking go, bro! Pump! Oh my god, yo. This is gonna fucking explode, bro. I love the Radium decks, okay? It's fucking insane. Come on, pump. It has to pump. No. Okay, $50. That's not bad. 1.6k market cap. We're already up a couple $100, okay? This is fucking insane. I love the Radium decks. Now guys, do not be emotional. You have to remember that we have nothing to lose. You're just launching and waiting for buyers. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? Okay, should I dump the coin right now? Actually no, I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump. Come on. $30. It's bullish because it's doing higher highs, higher lows. This is good. Now guys, I'm gonna give this coin a couple more minutes, and when I am back, we are going to dump the coin and make some money. You guys will see. So be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This coin is absolutely ripping, bro, because the coin already has a good narrative, so people will buy in, okay? It has a 4.5k market cap, 2k liquidity, things are looking good. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button right here. And now as you guys can see, we're up $1,500 in our PNL. Now, if you click on the minus button right here, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin, and then as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount of Solana right in my wallet. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you create a meme coin and make some money on demand. If I open my Phantom Wallet for 100% proof for you guys, boom, $1,500 straight inside my Phantom Wallet. It's actually insane. And by the way, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address down below, and leave a like, and make sure you watch until the end. Then join my free Telegram group down below, and yeah bro, bye.